guys. So today we are proving this problem, solving this problem. So this is sin x dx integration, and we want to prove this recurrence formula. Okay, so in order to do this, all we need to do is the integration by part. Okay, so we can start. So we need to prove this, right? So we can just write this sin ax, right? So basically, I mean, if usually we will just say a equal to 1, but in this case that I need to fix a, right? So I just let a be arbitrary real numbers. So sin x, one idea is obviously this, right? You just times this sin x and then use the integration by part. So it's u dv equals to uv minus v du. So this is this is dv, right? So this is sin n minus 1 ax, and so now our dv is sin ax dx. So our v is just minus cosine a. So cosine differentiation respect to x is minus sin ax. So this is v, right? So can put a here. Okay, and plus, sorry, so minus, right, v du, right? So this is v. Okay, du. So u is this u, right? So du is just a minus 1 sin n minus 2 ax dx, but there's a here, right? So there will be a, so a will cancel. Okay, so let me just make better. So this is this one plus a minus 1. Oh, sorry. So we'll do it with respect to sine. There is a chain rule, right? So there's a cosine ax will come out. So finally you get the sine n minus 2 ax cosine ax squared dx. So we can write this cosine x squared as 1 minus sine squared ax. Okay, so finally we get this. Plus n minus 1. So the first term is this sine n minus 2 ax dx. And the second term is exactly the same as what we originally do. So this is what we originally did. So sine n ax dx. So this is sine n ax dx. So this is our results. Okay. So finally, let me just clean one page. Okay. So we can move this term to the left hand side. We get the n sine n ax dx integration is equals to minus sine n minus 1 ax cosine ax divided by a plus n minus 1 sine n minus 2 ax dx. And then we can divide this n to both sides. Okay, nice. So this is our answer. So we get a recurrence formula related to this sin nax integration to n minus 1. So once we know that the sin x dx is minus cosine x, and suppose we can solve this, and we can solve this by just using this recursion formula. So related to the integration with dx, so this is x. So once you know the first two, then you can use this recursion formula to derive n equals to 2 and n equals to 3. So basically this formula already solves all the sin nx dx integration. Okay, so this is my video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next videos.